Hi, another quick video to show how a setup using Bluebeam and Excel can really help your tendering process, and just how far you can go with things. So here we've got a set of drawings. Well, I've combined all the drawings together for this site. We've got a site layout, we've got the roof tiling details here, we've got some details for wall tiling. It's all marked up for us, pretty standard. On here, I've got all the drawings. You'll see I've put some spaces around these and labeled these. I've already done some markups on here, but I'll do a quick set of markups in a minute just to show you how easy this is. So this is it for Bluebeam. We've also got some custom tools over here. In Excel, we've got a nice spreadsheet set up. We've got a front sheet. We've got some details for the job. Oh, we've got the menu pop up. Don't need that. And then we've got some tender notes, the file that Excel goes to, which is a CSV file created by Bluebeam. We've got a cost database. We can put all our details of our tiles and everything else in here, overheads, profits, day rates for men. Got a little set up over here, so if we want to see what if we add 10% to the labor, or if we think materials are going to go up by another 50% or whatever it is, we can put these in and it'll change all the rates for us. Site details, in here we put all the roof tile details, feature tiles, types of tile, batten, types of hips tiles, hip systems, everything we put in here for the type 1 roof, type 2 roof. And on the site layout, we put in which plots are allocated to which roof types. And here we put the house types, which is linked to the spaces on Bluebeam. We've also got some breakdowns here that I'll come to in a minute, but just very quickly, let's do a quick demonstration on how easy it is to do some takeoffs on here. So let's start off with some roof finishes. Now this has to be done to the different pitches. So we've got a 35-degree pitch on this section of roof here. We've got a 50-degree pitch on this section of roof. All we're doing at the moment is marking up the plan areas, but we'll come back to the pitches in a minute. Right, then we've got some other details. We've got some ridge lines. I think this is running a bit slowly at the moment because I'm recording the screen, but hopefully it's all okay for you to see what's going on. So we've got some ridge lines. Now we've got some valleys. Yeah, definitely running a bit slower than normal. Okay, when we do valleys, we need to know the angle offset from the main roofs, which we can use this here for. Come down the valley and straight back up the main roof. So that's 31.24 degrees. What else we've got some verges. Just try to go as quickly as possible here. One verge. Back on that. Two verges. Verge over here. And then we've got some eaves. Eaves to there. There, and finally last eaves over here. Done. Now we come down to our markups list. We want to put in pitches here. Right, so let's select this roof here. We know that's 35 degrees. Next roof here is going to be 50 degrees. Let's select a valley. So this is coming off of the main picture of 35 degrees. So let's put 35 in there. And we're off an offset angle of 31.24. So we can go to the next one. 35. 31.24. And finally we've got our verges. So that one's 50 degrees. 50 degrees. And 35 degrees. Right, that should be it for our markups. So I can then export that to a CSV file. Okay. Jump back over to my file here. As I said, we've got a few different breakdowns here. And what I need to do is go into my site layout. So I think we have got a 11 and 12. We've done a 14 and 15. And we've done a 25 and 26. Oh, sorry, 25 and 26. But just say plots 8 and 9 were the same as 11 and 12. So we could put 11 and 12 in there. And we could say they were the same as, doesn't like that number, and they were the same as that one. So that's all we would do. We can then jump over to our site breakdown and we can oh, this recording is messing this up a bit. Definitely messing this recording up. So now this spins a bit. And it's hopefully picking up all the data from, all the latest data from Bluebeam. And it's also picking up the details that we've just entered in the site layout page. And it will just spin for a while. Time to go and get a cup of tea or something like that, I suppose. Won't take that long. Hopefully Excel and Bluebeam will speed up a bit, but maybe it's my computer that's a bit slow at the moment. I've got a lot of things open, and also when you're doing the recordings, it seems to slow everything down. Just let it spin a little bit more. I should have brought up the panel at the side. If you bring up the Power Query details, which this all relies on, over here would show all the queries, and it would show them being worked through one by one. But I forgot to bring that up at the moment. And there you go. So we've got breakdown by cost type for each of the houses, breakdown by area, main roof, low roof, and breakdown by cost type and area. So in here you'll see 14 and 15, we've got the main roof and the other roof. Site materials, we've got a little bit of formatting needs doing here, but we've got all the different tiles being used. We've got an error checks page which isn't showing any at the moment, and we've also got a submission to be made to our client as well, which I'm just going to set up some things for just exporting to a PDF and emailing. But yeah, hopefully you like that, and welcome any feedback. Thanks. Bye.